Suzuki finally reveals the much-anticipated Jimny 5-door SUV at the Auto Expo 2023. The company also announced the bookings for the SUV at Rs 11,000. The SUV will be launched in India first, followed by Suzuki's global markets. The 2023 Jimny 5-door will be produced in India at the brand's Gurugram plant and will also be exported to other markets. The 5-door Jimny measures 3,985 mm in length, 1,645 mm in width, and 1,720 mm in height, and its wheelbase is 2,590 mm. The car offers a ground clearance of 210 mm. In terms of design, the 2023 Jimny 5-door looks like a stretched version of the 3-door Jimny that we are familiar with. That being said, it looks well proportioned and has short front and rear overhangs with approach and departure angles of 30 degrees and 50 degrees respectively. Inside, the 2023 Jimny gets a rather busy-looking dashboard. It has a 3-spoke steering wheel and a conventional twin-pod analog instrument cluster. The center console houses a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. The 2023 Jimny will be offered in 2 variants, Zeta and Alpha, with features like automatic LED headlamps, electric ORVMs, automatic climate control, and cruise control. The SUV also gets 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold control, hill descent control, a rear view camera, and a brake-limited slip differential. In India, the 2023 Suzuki Jimny will be available with a 1.5-litre petrol engine producing 103 bhp at 6000 rpm and 134.2 Nm at 4000 rpm. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission and Suzuki's All-Grip Pro all-wheel drive system. It is expected that Suzuki will launch the 5-door Jimny in India dealerships by May 2023. When launched, the 5-door Jimny will compete with the upcoming Mahindra Thar 5-door and Force Gurkha 5-door.